Dude, like right there, I'm telling you, dude, right there, the carb is just on it. So I normally run 10 PSI in the tires, front and back. This time we went 11. Went a pound higher because I just know this place is full of rocks. Oh! And your boy can't see nothing. Hey, cousin! Pretty much no adjustment on this carb. Just started her up and ripped. She's dialed. That's what I wanted. My brother, he might have fouled the plug. I think he fouled the plug because it wouldn't start. It started in bog, like I said in the previous vid, and then it wouldn't start. So we changed the plug out and it started. So yeah, that's a fouled plug. So that's the stuff you go through when you're not jetted right. Well, she's ripping now. Look at that. Woo! Dude hammered that section. Oh, and another thing, I repacked my muffler. So she's sounding pretty freaking crisp right now. Narrow bridge crossing between the trees. She got traction. We're gonna run second through all this. Whoa! Tree down. second, do you say? Because I like to just see what the bike's made of, you know what I mean? See if we can just do it, you know, come out of turns. I like that luggingness, dude, that torque, that low end, like. I said, I'm not really a high speed guy. I like this stuff. This is the best stuff. Whoa! He's getting after it, dude. I tell you, this guy, he's like a switch. He's turned on, he's on. Oh, here comes that section. See what he got. Yeah! Woo! That's where I crashed into the tree. And we're still in the second. So we're just out here cruising on Saturday morning. Just getting some ride time in, dude. That's it. Oh yeah, you can feel the difference when you get in the shade. It's like somebody flipped on the AC. Like you're just beep, turn it on, feel the breeze. Oh, she picked up right there, bud. I don't know why every time I cross the bridge I just want to burn out. Oh! Seen a big old pile of caca. Whoa! And honestly, we're in the national forest right now. I'm not sure if there's bears out here. I assume there may be because we're pretty close to Tahoe, and I know I think there's bears out in Tahoe. But if you guys know there's bears out here, comment in the bottom. Let me know. I seen a big old pile of scat. Oh man. Woo, woo, woo. She's running real good, guys. She's running real good. For an old girl, she get up with the best of them, I'll tell you that. Bring on the 300s, what? Bring on the 300s. What 300s? Nah. Those are beast bikes, man. I love them 300s. That'd probably be my next bike if I ever were to get one. Yeah, you can tell the difference in the bike though. Woo! Coming in. Alright guys, smash that like button, share this video. We're out here ripping. Peace.